Hey, this is Tim. 04 Expedition 4.6. Customer complaint of jumping. Service engine light blinking. We got misfire number 1. Misfire to start. Fuel pump sensor. Might have replaced the fuel pump by now. Let's see. I have to ask him. Well, we're gonna check out that misfire number 1. We're gonna switch out number 1. We're gonna switch it to number 2, and let's see if we get a misfire on that. Let's see if we get a misfire on number 2. Let's go ahead and switch 1 with 2. I found this is the easiest way to find out for sure. I can ohm it out. I can do all that stuff. This is the fastest. And the easiest way I know that it ain't a plug, an injector, a plug, or anything else causing that misfire. It's just the coil itself. Alright, get number 2 off of here. I have to get a Alright, it unplugs. We get a little longer extension. Alright, that should do it. Alright. Now, let's switch number 2. Number 1. Let's see what comes up again. Alright. Well, I switched them, of course. Now it's a misfire on number 2. Got me a new scanner, nice one, real nice one. So we'll be doing a coil on it, and this is also no AC. So I'm gonna do a coil on it and fix it. And if that's the only thing you wanted out of this video, thanks for watching. I'm going to continue, and we're going to see about the AC also in this video if you care to watch the rest of that. Thanks. Well, the AC was easy enough to diagnose. AC is running, and my scanner's telling me the AC clutch is off, so that's pretty much telling me that the clutch is shot, so it's not even connecting. Then I look down here, and it's not even, let me get my light. Damn it. You can see the compressor all the way on the bottom. It's just going around and around. It's not even hitting the compressor or the clutch to engage the pump. So right now it's a pulley. Anyway, we'll put a compressor on it, and we'll put a coil on number 2 now, which was number 1. So thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.